Hello everyone, welcome to Tablescape Sunday, Summer and Fall 2020. Your host is Cynthia of Cynthia, shesobless. Her co-hosts are the awesome ladies from Diva's Dynasty, Tammy of Me, Myself, and DIYing It, Lynn from Lynn's Lifestyle Living, Alberta from Mysterious Alberta, Geraldine from Diva Decorating. Go and check out these ladies' channels. Hello everyone, welcome to the Scarecrow Family Reunion where Monica did our fall tablescape for our reunion. Here we are, the Scarecrow Family Reunion. Okay everyone, take a look at what I did for the Scarecrow Family Reunion. They were very pleased at what I did. I want to thank the wonderful, talented, beautiful host Cynthia for the invite and her lovely crew, the Diva Dynasty. I love fall. I love the colors. I have given you 3 different tablescape looks for the fall. I love these colors, you guys. One of the rules to the fall tablescape was to add pumpkins, and I added about 3 of them. I'm going to give you a chance to look over my tablescape. Here is the 3rd tablescape. I want you to live and love to the fullest and also believe there is good in the world. Here is my 3rd tablescape. I hope you guys like my tablescape. I enjoy doing it. And again, thank you, Diva Dynasties, for the invite. Have a blessed day and a blessed week. Stay safe.